Hola, how's everyone doing? I just wanted to make a video about a dream download that I got about what's going on around us currently. And I came out to actually film because I wanted to have clarity in mind. I was not feeling well, like mentally for a month almost. There were ascensions after ascensions happening. I was not feeling physically well, and then mentally I wasn't the greatest, wasn't my happiest self. So I came out today to film this video about something that's bothering us all. And before starting this video, I was actually checking the angle, like which one would be the best to shoot this video. The screen went completely dark, and I had to adjust it around, like check a few other angles to see if I'm visible to the camera. And it's funny that I was actually looking for a good intro to start this video with, and it happened to give me this sign. Yeah, so funnily enough, we got our first message that even though the times are looking very dark, it's not actually dark. It's just an illusion, and we can surpass these illusions by just adjusting our angle, our perspective. I also had a dream download about the chaotic events that are happening around us. And these events are happening throughout the planet. The transformation process has begun and it is already showing effects now, but it has begun like few years ago. Somewhere around 2023, actually to be precise, 2024 June is when it actually started the cycles. And these are cycles of transformation where the entire planet, every individual will go through a transformative process. Anyone that held power before, especially unjust power, will be going down. And anyone who was truthful and trying to show people the light through loyalty, truthfulness, being a virtuous human being, will be going up. So all the corrupt leaders around the world will be falling and people will be seeing their true faces. Now, this is happening on an individual level, on a human level, and on a planet level. The whole vibration is changing. So, if you had humans around you, like terrible bosses, bosses who were taking, what do you call it? The credit for your work, or the bosses that bullied you, or the friends that bullied you, or the people, maybe parents bullied you, whoever was in the wrong, their wrongfulness, their atrocities will be exposed to the people around them. And the same is happening for organizations and countries as such. I would just give one very like obvious example. United States stood for freedom for all, and now it has become the complete opposite. It has become a cage of sort. If you have been following the news, a lot of people, Europeans, Canadians, Mexicans, Asians, Africans, are now refraining to travel to the US, especially Europeans because they used to travel in large numbers, Canadians used to travel in large numbers, and the travel population has already, the data has already declined to around 70% for Canadians, just Canadians. So people are refusing to visit the US, and it has become from a tourism hub to a place where people are fearing what will happen to them. People are being detained unjustly and whatnot. So yeah, powers like these are going to fall, and not just a country. I mean, only the corrupt powers and the just ones would actually go up. That is just one example. So not just the countries, even like big brands, big luxury brands are also being exposed by, if you look at the international example again, the China sellers are exposing the luxury brands. wherein most of the products were actually made for really cheap in Chinese factories, and they were labeled as something very luxurious made in Italy or somewhere, and were being sold for a large amount. There was one guy who was telling that there's a bag that is actually made for just $1,400, and it's being sold um, for $38,000 in the US, and all they added was a logo. So yeah, they were selling brands. A lot of they were selling their own brand instead of the quality. The quality was actually still Chinese, but which is okay. I think it's okay as long as you are doing business and people buy your brand. People should have enough like critical thinking skills to understand that any business that sells something sells it for a sort of for a profit, and you should understand the difference between the production cost and the selling cost, and the seller is always making a profit. Now how much are you paying for the brand should also be like common knowledge. So cannot uh, like put a finger on the brands for selling it for that expensive. But what's not okay is that these very brands, the Western countries actually used to call China as cheap. Their products were called cheap. Everything made in China was called cheap. But the truth is, everything was actually being manufactured there, and they were not getting their like the actual name was tarnished, and they had the reputation for having cheap products, which was not good. So it's good that China is actually reclaiming that name and rebranding their goods as high quality goods because it's being made in the same factories. Yeah, luxury brands, big countries, big organizations, people around you who are bullies, everything will be slowly exposed. And the vibration of the planet has actually flipped. Anyone that was ruling before has come down, and anyone that was suffering before is now going to be up. The just leaders would be coming up. Now, I'll talk about the dream that I had. The message that I got from the divine was that people are going through tumultuous times, very obvious, but there is a fear of losing stability, be it losing your job. In my dream, it was about the job, but people are also scared of losing their homes. So there is a sense of losing stability. And when I was dreaming, I actually had a hit in my heart and somewhere in the sacral chakra. These things, when unbalanced, actually represent depression and a painful period. So there is a hit to people's these two chakras, sacral and the heart chakra, and the vibration is actually going low, wherein the fear is rising in the public because of everything that's happening around. Very obvious, very understandable. But I was also shown the way out. The way out would be in this situation to follow your intuition in this moment. Intuition being whatever you are being called to do or you're feeling towards doing, and there's a strong calling towards that thing, and you know what it is. You have to follow that. For example, if you have always wanted to paint, you have to take up painting now. If you wanted to be a cook, start cooking now. Start putting your videos out now. Whatever is your calling, maybe it's content creation, whatever is your calling, you know it, it's hidden in your heart, and you are fulfilling your day to day life with a mundane job. The job may or may not remain, and it's very true that anything can change tomorrow. But whatever your intuition is asking you to do today will keep you stable, is the message. And you have to start slow, but start now. Start slow, but start now. The the dream part that I saw was I was slowly rebuilding by planting my favorite plants. So anything that's your favorite, anything that's very simple to you, the easiest plants to grow, I'm just giving my example. Start with that first. So you first gain some confidence in growing plants, and once you see the progress, you improve. So do that step by step. But it's very important at this time to listen to your calling. There must have been some calling in your life, something that you do or did as a child, which you loved, but you abandoned it growing up because circumstances wanted you to be at a certain job, learn something else entirely, and give up on your actual dreams. So this is the time to actually take up those dreams. The only way safe, and I'm just delivering a divine message, the only way safe is to follow your intuition in this moment. Nothing else is stable and it is bound to change. If you have been watching the news, federal jobs were considered the safest. And look what happened as soon as the new administration came in the United States. The first thing that were thrown out were the federal jobs. The most stable jobs were suddenly unstable. So anything can happen during these times, and it's not somebody's fault. It's just the planet's vibration. It's changing and it is bound to change. I got another message for somebody. You will be finding your soulmate somewhere in this job. So when you take up this job, you will find your soul tribe, and within that soul tribe, you'll also find your soulmate, and you will be really like enjoying your company, each other's company. If you follow this advice today, wow, this is a random message. So your body will be. So I saw myself having perfect abs, and I haven't have had abs since like 2020. I've gotten fat, and I'm trying to actively reduce weight. But if you follow your intuition, if you follow your calling, you will actually be getting fitter in life, fitter body wise, and there will be love life. I mean, prosperous love life, a stable love life, and a stable career. Life would be comfortable and sweet no matter the tumultuous or anything chaotic happening around you. So that was the whole message. I hope somebody got inspired. I've already started my journey of creativity and focusing on my calling. I used to make a lot of like content creation back in the day, sometime in 2000, like when Facebook had just started. Somewhere I also had like Facebook pages. I used to make funny memes. I used to love memes. I used to call myself a meme lord. And yeah, I abandoned two of my Facebook pages because somewhere down the line I thought those were useless. And I took up a job that I like, but it's not as fulfilling as I know something else could be. So think about that and see where it leads you, because times are not stable and this is not to imbibe fear in you. Also remember that do not dwell in the feeling of fear. Even if everything else is falling around you, do not dwell in the feeling of fear. If watching news is causing fear, if being on social media is causing you fear, step back, deactivate your ID. I just deactivated my ID. Do that. Watch as less news as possible and keep your mind healthy. Go out in the nature. I'm sitting in the nature right now. Go out in the nature, be around trees, soak your feet in the water. Whatever helps, do that. Whatever helps your mental state, make candles, write poetry, whatever helps, do that. But do not put pressure or strain on your mental health at this point, because your intuition is important and your intuition is directly connected to how good you feel about yourself, how good you feel within. Okay, so remember that and continue to nurture your mental being, continue to nurture the people around you that also nurture you back, and take care of each other. It's all about community, and do not follow the steps of the corrupt leaders, please, for God's sake. That's changing, it's going out. Do not be that. Be the good, just person that takes care of their community. Be an active participant and hope for a better future always. Do not let fear hinder anything in you, within you. Your spirit is the strongest. Your spirit can take care of any danger that is out there. As long as your spirit is alive, you will be alive. Keep that spirit alive. And it only is happy when you keep your inner child happy. when you cater to your needs, when you cater to your happiness, not when you cater to a corporation's happiness, not when you cater to a country's happiness or a leader's happiness or a parent's happiness. You cater to your own happiness. It may sound selfish to a lot of people, but this is the need of the hour. And you have to take care of people who have been taking care of you. Leave the rest behind. Okay, good. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let's hope for the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.